Hello everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you what I got for Christmas. I wanted to try and get this video up today, but it's kind of late now, so I don't really know if I'm going to manage it because I'm really tired. But yeah, I thought I would show you. I'm not trying to brag, obviously I have to say the disclaimer that everyone says. I'm really grateful for everything I got, and everyone knows that, like everyone who gave me stuff knows how thankful I am. So yeah, I also have already filmed this video, and then halfway through filming it I decided I didn't like it, so I'm gonna start again. So first of all I'm gonna show you the things that my boyfriend got for me. The first thing he got me was this pyjama set from Victoria's Secret, and it's just this tartan like button down shirt and then these long trousers. I really love these, and he knew that I really wanted tartan trousers, so I was really happy with these. We exchanged presents last night, so I've already worn these and they're so cozy. Next he got me these Adidas leggings. They're just green and then they've got the stripes. Then they also have this orange bit at the bottom which I really like, and these are really comfy too. And I love the colour. He knows I really like this colour, so yeah, I like these also. I also really like how these are comfy but they still look really fashionable, so he did a good job here as well. Next I got this mug, and I feel like no one's really going to understand this, but basically I kind of have an issue with saying my R's. I'm not very good at pronouncing them, and he thinks it's really funny, and I always say that like I'm raging about stuff and he thinks it sounds like waging. But he got me this mug that says waging on it, so that was funny, and it was like a personal joke, so that's cute. And then he got me a big bag of food. It's going to keep me stocked up for ages. There's so many things in here. I'm not going to go through it all, but it's like all the foods that I really like. So the next thing he got me was a really cute one. He got me this necklace, and basically it has a quote from Jane Eyre on it because that's his favourite book, and it's the book that I'm reading right now. I'm really enjoying it so far. I haven't finished it yet though, but yeah, I thought this was a really cute and like personal gift, so I really like that too, and I'm gonna wear it all the time. The last thing he got me was my absolute like favourite gift that I got this Christmas. Like I literally could cry thinking about this gift, like it's so cute. He got me this copy of Romeo and Juliet that is basically like over 100 years old. It says it was published in 1899, and he knows that I love Romeo and Juliet, obviously. I've never read the book before, I've only ever seen the movies, and I really wanted to read it, so I just think it was really cute that he found like this version of it. And yeah, he wrote like a really cute note in it as well and stuff, so I was so grateful for this. I thought it was just such like a special present, and I'm just always gonna have this. That was everything that he got me. Sorry if it took kind of a while to get through all of that, but I was just really happy and really grateful with all of it, and he did a really good job and I loved all of it. So yeah, I'm gonna go on to what my parents got me. I mean Santa. I realised that kind of took a while, so I'm gonna try and run through it as quick as I can. The first thing that I got was this glitter lamp, and you just plug it in and it lights up and all the glitter spins. This will look really good in my room as well because my room's like grey / silver kind of themed, I think. I don't even really know, to be honest. I then got this bag which I absolutely love. I can't speak French, so I don't know what it says on it. I was in desperate need of a new bag as well, so I really like that. And then they got me a yoga mat, which I also really needed because my old one is like really manky and really ripped as well. Then they got me these pyjamas, and they just have like Mickey Mouse and stuff on the front of it, and then the trousers are tartan. I got so many pairs of pyjamas this year, and I'm pretty sure the majority of them were tartan ones, so I think everyone must have just got the memo that I really wanted tartan pyjamas, but I'm not complaining. I love them all, and I really wanted pyjamas. So also for my parents I got a ring light, which I can't show you because I'm using it right now. This was basically the only thing that I asked for, I'm pretty sure. It's just going to really come in handy with filming videos and doing my makeup and stuff, so I was very happy about that. I'm not sure how the lighting is right now with it, obviously I'm going to have to like test it out a bit. But yeah, I really like that, and I was really happy when I opened it. I then got this puppy calendar because I love dogs. I don't really remember what stuff was in my stocking and what wasn't, so I've just kind of put all of it together. But next thing I got was a bath bomb, so excited to use this. Then I got a moisturiser. My moisturiser just ran out. My skin is insanely dry right now, so that's going to come in handy. Then I got a deodorant, nothing special, just the one I usually use. I also got a Hollister spray. This is just in Wish and Wonder. I got some chocolate buttons. Then I also got this lipstick in this like plum kind of colour. Then I got this nail polish, which is also in like a purpley kind of colour. Then I got this foundation, which is by Estee Lauder. It's the Double Wear foundation, and it's like really high coverage. I put it on today, but it goes on so well. And this is the shade. The last thing I got from my parents was really cute. It was this canvas photo. I'm gonna cover my face because I don't look the best in it, but it's of me and my old dog. We all miss him a lot, so that was a really nice thing to have. I think that was everything that my parents got me. They also gave me money, but obviously I'm not going to show that, but I loved all of it and they all know that I'm really grateful for it. So my sister got me some clothes, and the first piece that she got me was this top, and it says a Tim Burton film on it, and yeah, I just think this is really cool. Then she got me this like tracksuit kind of jumper, which I actually chose out, and it's from Pretty Little Thing, and it just looks like this. Then she also got me these really cool trousers. They just have this tartan print on them, and they're flared at the bottom but kind of cropped, so I'm quite excited to try and style these. And they also have pockets in the back, which is always a plus. Then my brother got me this blue jumper, and it just has like a really fluffy inside, and it looks really cozy. Then he got me these pajama bottoms, obviously again with the tartan. These are also really cozy, and I'm gonna wear these more for lounging about, I think. Then my boyfriend's family got me a couple of things. So the first thing that they got me were these cozy socks, and there was like 2 pairs of them, but I already wore the other pair today, and these are really cozy and I really like the colour. Then they got me this set from Ted Baker, and it's just like a nail polish and a lipstick, and again, love the colours. I have like light pink on my nails, but it's really ugly and I need to take it off. And the last thing that they got me was this set from Jules. It's this kind of like body care kind of set, it says on it. So it's got a body wash, a body lotion, body butter, and a body scrub. I thought it was funny that it was from Jules as well, because like the people that I'm really close with all call me Jules, so I thought that was really cute, and it's really kind of them to get me a gift. Then my auntie and uncle and cousins got me this Urban Decay aphrodisiac. I think that's how you pronounce it. I used it today and really like the colours. I'm a fan of their eyeshadows. And then they also got me some chocolates and the Bad Gal Bang Benefit Mascara, which I'm pretty sure I've tried before and I really liked. So yeah. And then the last thing that I'm going to show is from my brother's girlfriend, and she got me this Benefit Homemade Hotness, I think it says. It's basically just like a gift set, and it has a bunch of stuff that you can see on the back. I really like getting new makeup to like test it all out, so I'm pretty sure that's everything that I got. Obviously I'm very grateful for all of it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.